Squirrel! All right, so I'm here talking with Jed. We got all of our plants from Heritage Nursery, and he's here to give us a price sheet and to give us a what's up.
Pretty much.
Tell us the newest varieties.
Yep.
Jed, what is the newest variety that you have seen that you have some promise in?
Okay, honestly, Heptacodium.
Okay. Ooh.
Have you heard of it?
Oh yeah.
Get them. They're sweet.
What is there a new variety that's out?
No, but no one knows about them.
Well, they bloom in the fall time.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got some sweet bark.
White bloom in the fall.
Mm-hmm.
Then once the flowers fall, it's red.
Cool.
The petioles or whatever. And cinnamon colored exfoliating bark.
Is it in the book?
Too many.
Circle it in the book.
Not in the book.
Well, there you go. You heard it from Jed himself. High five. I don't know why, but high five. Wow. Here we are at our annual safety meeting. How do we pronounce her last name? No, Volchek. I have no idea why Carl wanted me to do that, but there you go.
I'm a pretty firm believer that most people probably understand from a safety standpoint what the right thing to do is, right? And generally, people know how to keep themselves safe in the most times.
Hey there, buddy from California. In case those videos or pictures weren't enough, here we go. Got some snowfall. And look at the water feature running. Isn't that sweet? Oh, gotta love Nebraska. Greetings from cold Nebraska. Every day during the school year, I get to pick up Lydia. So I get to take the kids to school. Oh no, it fell, pick it up! Save it! Whoa! Fail! There we go. So I get to pick up, or take the kids to school every morning and then pick them up. So that I started doing this year, right, Lyd?
Yeah.
It's kind of fun. You have anything to say to the camera?
No.
Nope. No? Nope. Just sing a song?
No.
Mark!
Oh, no.
Yeah!
No.
King! Yeah!
No.
Bird! Yeah! Mockingbird, don't ever want to know. Have you heard of the mockingbird? And if the mockingbird don't sing, he's gonna buy me a diamond ring. Oh yeah! What do you think, Lyd?
Is it done?
Yeah.
We should go on America's Got Talent.
America's Got Talent?
Yeah.
Do you think I'd win? Oh, it fell again. Pick it up.
We aren't doing that well with this.
So that's what we got. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean. Pythagorean. You got it! We give people what's up when we drive by them. We give them a hip. Like that.
Yeah.
Hip. Sometimes you give the other hip. Sometimes just a hip.
Oh. What's the difference?
Hip. I have no idea.
Oh.
Depends on what kind of mood I'm in.
Oh, okay. It's your boy H2O.
This is sponsored by H2O. we drop the beat, Lydia? Bam, 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 bam.
I can't whistle.
No, can't whistle. All right, we'll log out.
No. Log out. Where's the
Our-
log out button?
Our quit recording button.
Oh. That makes more sense.
What are you doing?
Wearing a unicorn hat.
Marie's getting ready for her day. I think she knows I'm recording her. Hey Victor, what are you up to?
Not much.
What are you doing, Derek?
Getting ready to secure this.
Secure the load?
Secure the load. Actually, I don't know if we have to grab bolts or not. Maria?
Victor is really trying to run away from the camera this morning. He's getting tired of TMZ all over him.
All right, day one, starting a new project. We're just south of Hastings, and we've got a water feature to tear out, and we are replacing it with a patio and a fireplace, some freestanding walls and stuff. So this is going to be Keenan's project. Here's what we got going on. So we got Keenan and Jaden and Tony here starting to pull the rocks out and everything. Said this is Keenan's job, so kind of give us a quick overview of what we got going on for today, maybe this week, and what the project's going to be.
This week we're just going to work on getting all the muck out of here, get all the rocks out, and then start filling it back in with fresh concrete. And then there will be a patio coming off this step over here and making kind of a circle with a fireplace over there. So,
Yeah. So the fireplace is going to be, can you kind of see those cedar trees growing on there? It'll probably be somewhere around in there. So it's going to be pretty cool. A good time. I designed it, so it's going to be sweet. That's kind of the plan for today, and we'll keep you posted on the project as it progresses.
A squad.
Yeah, A squad. A squad or the A squad?
I guess.
So, all right.
I want to get a big pond in our backyard, and Christina wants, like Andrew, she wants like a 5x5 little pond with no waterfall.
I did not say no waterfall.
Yeah, you did.
I went with no waterfall, no fish, and no plants.
No
Yes,
plants.
Yes, fish and plants. Jeremy wants a gigantic diving pool.
Yeah,
And no algae.
and no algae.
Hey, I'm fine with algae. Like,
I know, but a lot of people aren't. A lot of people aren't fine with algae.
I want wildlife, deer, raccoons, turtles.
Possums.
Possums.
We already have possums.
How about ducks?
Stray dogs.
They eat the cat food.
Stray dogs.
Stray dogs.
Cattle, cats. What?
We will compromise.
Mountain lions.
Pumas.
Yeah, jumping rock. Cougas. A jumping rock.
Not a chance.
Want to thank you for watching vlog number 7. What an awesome week. I hope you enjoyed Keenan's project that him and his team have started. It's going to be an awesome fireplace, seating walls, patio, and bubbling rocks. And Maria is once again doing more and more spring cleanups. We actually gave the crew the ability to do some filming this week for next week, so you'll be able to see what they've been up to with spring cleanups. So once again, subscribe, like, share, comment on our videos, and enjoy from the beautiful town of Chapman, Nebraska.